Face workouts, do they work? Or do they just make you look dumb?
Look at his lips!
My name is Leonard, and today we're going to be looking at how effective face workouts are over 1 week. Well, why would anyone want to do a face workout anyways? Aren't we beautiful and perfect just the way we are?
Wrong.
We say this, but is this truly what we think?
Keep
We look on social media and
smile.
see how there are beautiful people with perfect features and no flaws. And then we look at ourselves and see everything that is wrong with us. And we want to fix it because we want to be as beautiful as we can. That's why we pay so much for plastic surgery. And face exercises are free, so there's really nothing to lose. And it's quarantine, what else are you gonna do? And I'll be following these 3 videos. 3 exercises to lose chubby cheeks. Get a defined face. Brett Maverick. Fix uneven eyes. Facial asymmetry in 1 minute. Balancing exercise. HisDream. How to get the jawline of gods. Jeff Logan. I picked these because each video targets a different muscle group in the face. For most of my life, I've had chubby cheeks, so I want to see if this video can help slim down my face for real. In my opinion, my eyes are uneven, and Dream says that he can fix this, so let's see how true that is. Lastly, this guy says that he can give us the jawline of gods, and who wouldn't want that? Right here we can see a close-up of my face before I start doing any facial exercises. And I will go through all the face exercises and their recommended reps, just in case this does end up working for anyone who is curious. Also, when you do these face exercises, you're probably gonna look very dumb, so, be prepared for that. Transition your face from puckered lips to a smile. Make sure to stretch your mouth as much as you can. Puff your cheeks out and then transition to a vacuum-sealed mouth. It helps if you slightly open your mouth and let your jaw hang. And for this 3rd exercise, he says to just keep a good posture daily. Also, your top and bottom teeth should be closed and touching each other throughout the day, and your tongue should be pressed to the top of your mouth. Next, let's move on to the exercises for uneven eyes. Squeeze your eyes closed tightly while also tightly holding a kissy face. Gently pull the skin around your eyes and look from right to left. Hold your forehead and raise your eyebrows against the resistance. Next, we're moving on to the jawline for gods. With a puckered face, move your mouth from right to left in an upward diagonal position. Put your fist under your chin and open your mouth widely. Push your chin in an outwards position. This one is weird to get used to. Look from right to left and stick your tongue out each time. Bite your hand and simulate as if you're taking a big bite of something. Alright, I am back. For me, this has been a long week, but for you, a few seconds. So, how did it go? Well, after I initially started doing the face exercises, my face felt tired and weak. And this is probably because I've never consistently tried to work out my face. And aside from my YouTube videos, I don't talk that much, so my face is usually dormant and has little movement. The face has a lot of muscles, so it makes sense that over time, if you continue to work them out, then they would change at least a little. And when you flex your biceps and squeeze them really hard, fibers break and repair due to hypertrophy. Your biceps then become bigger and become more defined, so why would this be any different for your face muscles? Well, there's probably a limit to what you can achieve with exercises that don't include any weights at all. If you're simply just squeezing your biceps all the time, then the results will probably be limited. Sadly, I would have to say, don't get your hopes up. Because according to Suzanne Obrick, an associate professor of dermatology at Harvard Medical School, she states that there have not been enough rigorous scientific studies regarding face exercises and their results. But with all of that said, I can still feel a difference in my face. It feels tighter and more defined. And I noticed that before this video, my general face posture was poor. My tongue would consistently be resting at the bottom of my mouth, and I had to always remember to press it to the roof of the mouth. Maybe it's just some sort of placebo effect, but my face does feel better. Maybe I just feel more confident because I know I've done face workouts and I can be proud of that. Or maybe you guys can see the difference too. Let me know what you think. Comment if you appreciate me being a lab rat, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Also, the meme edit at the beginning of this video was just a joke. That guy has an amazing jawline, very cool. And you know, that's all.